Greetings, viewers. Hey, thanks for joining me out in the shop today. Going to address a question I've gotten here a little bit. Why did I change my show name from Funjunkie Garage to Brokeass Garage after all these years? Well, my shop fixes broken cars for people who don't have any money. Now, I can do a brake job generally for about an eighth of the price of the average shop that charges $350 to $400. And you can too. And that's kind of the point of my show, of course, to get you to fix your own stuff. But you know, you can fix your friend's stuff too after you learn how to fix your stuff. I'm not out to make a killing, but I'm always out to help my fellow man. And if I know somebody needs brakes, needs pad and rotor job, hell, you can do that in 30, 45 minutes and make $50. Hell, charge $100. It's $350 at the local chain store, easy, just for pads and rotor swap. So anyway, I hope you watch my show and enjoy it. I got things going on here. I meant to film a bunch of this truck, and I had Buddy over anyway, and we got going on it, and we ended up doing so many different things. But I got brake lines to do, I got rust repairs to make, I got a few things to do on this, and I'll show you that. Pay attention and do it for yourself. Pay attention and do it for your friends, and you can help your friends save a bunch of money, and you can pocket a little bit of spending money, and that's kind of the whole point of my show. So that's why Brokeass Garage. I fix broke-ass cars for broke-ass people, and I'm a broke-ass motherfucker. My shit comes from the junkyard. I got this from the junkyard. Now, if you watch that little video, new ride introduction, you know, I got a free truck, made money, and ended up with this truck. Somebody else got that other free truck after I did a little bit to it. They're super happy. I'm super happy. This is going to be nice. This came from the junkyard too. The Valiant did. My dog didn't, but he could be a junkyard dog. This came from a field, been sitting for years. All my vehicles were junkyard or $200. Now, of course, you put money into them, but then you got a nice vehicle. You can drive around right where everybody else does, and you ain't got a fortune in it. So, Brokeass Garage. Pay attention. You just might learn something, but that's optional. Yeah, it's a beautiful day today. That might be my rallycross car with my son. That's up to be seen. The Silverado, you know the Silverado, that's a customer car. Anyway, gonna maybe solid axle my Tundra. Stick around, watch my show, learn something. Hell, I've been doing this for 5 years. I got 400 videos. Look back, learn how to do something, make $1, save $1, help a buddy. Appreciate you watching. I really do. Like, subscribe, comment, all that shit if you want to do that. If you don't, I just appreciate you watching. Have a super great day.